Okay, so check this out. When people come to us, they don't want to look like an idiot. And that is the main reason we exist. Bixly is a collection of talented professionals that focus on Python and Django. Okay, so it's not an accidental group of people that happen to have used Python once or something like that. These folks are trained and tested and proven in Django and in Python. For a good software project to happen, the developers, the management, all the other management in place, the expectations need to be the same. And we're very good at making sure that that happens. Every week or two, you're going to actually see and touch your software and use it. That's important. I've been where you have, where you're starting up, you're trying not to look like an idiot, you want to get this thing done, test an idea out, see if you can make money and make a dream come true. At least give us a call and chat about your project, and we might have a perfect fit. And if that's the case, we're going to help you make a lot of money. Folks call in, they ask, are we going to get a good dev? Is this just someone that you're going to hand to us, kind of like the one no one else wants? And that's always the fear, because you don't want just the slag. There's a few things that we do to make sure our quality keeps getting higher. And they're really important to us because we want to be able to say, here's why we have quality. Look at it for yourself and make a decision. Don't just trust us.
So first we'll give them a bunch of written tests. Then from there they'll end up taking a actual programming test. If they do well there after being evaluated, they then move on to a training process. And the training takes about 3 weeks, and it's over a actual project that we have them do. We have them cover all of the necessary things with working with a company. Professionality, being in meetings on time, having good communication, logging their time, staying, efficient.
The problem is this: there's very decent firms for a very high price, and there's freelancers, right? And so there's pros and cons to each. We're trying to meet in the middle, because you have the very best parts of a firm, and you have the very best parts of a freelancer. It's freelancing.
We get together with any developers and project owners on specific projects, and we basically go through a series of 3 questions asking the developers what they did, what they plan on doing, and any barriers that are in their way in terms of learning, in terms of development, in terms of basically programming at 100%.
Advantages of this and being with Bixly, where we utilize this method and working with a project manager as opposed to maybe just a freelance developer, would be just that. You have that extra check of a full development team, of having a project manager on your project, and we're able to just get everything locked in on a daily schedule, and it's allowing week after week after week to really have a good goal as you're moving forward.
Bixly is multi-locale. Yeah, we're here in Fresno, and most of the admin staff is right here in sunny California. But we have folks all over the place. Anywhere we can find great quality at the right price, we're going to be hiring that dev and offering them to you. This company had to be a company that met 2 criteria. A, I would want to hire it myself, and B, I would want to work here.
So this is a super highly advanced new technology. We developed this, okay, in the Bixly Labs R&D department. Advanced.
We have a culture that's a little bit different from the mainstream suit and tie culture, and it's one that fits really well with us. So, for example, we're kind of geeky.
Enjoying our work and having fun is something that we really value here.
We'd like to think that we're different, a little bit different than our competitors.
Hey!
Everyone's taking a picture of Nick eating a salad off of a paper bag.
I remember coming into work one day, and in the break room we had an arcade machine set up with almost 1,500 games on it. I don't think many people can really say that they work at a place like that.
There's some good, respectable competitors out there, but they're not as fun as us. Don't forget that.